If you want the solution to the other questions in this paper, kindly check the description, the video description below. You can always find the link to the other questions in the video description. The question 11 is on volumes of solid and trigonometry. A cylindrical tank with base radius 3.5 meters is half filled with water. The water is then poured into a rectangular tank with dimensions 7 meters by 2 meters by 5.5 meters and filled completely. What is the height of the cylindrical tank? Take pi to be 22/7. So let's deal with that one. We have a cylinder and the tank is filled to half. Then we're also told that the water in the cylinder is poured into the rectangular tank and it filled it completely. So we are looking for the height of the cylindrical tank, the full height. So we know that volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square times height. Then record that the volume of, so this is for cylinder and this is for rectangular tank. So this is equal to length times width times the height. So length times width times height. And this is equal when this is half filled. So we have half of pi, which is 22/7, times radius squared 3.5 squared, times h is equal to 7 times 2 times 3.5. So 2 times 3.5 is 7. Times 7 will give us 77. So we have 77 meter cube here on the right hand side. Then on the left hand side, we can expand and simplify. So we had something like 1/2 times 3.5 squared. 1/2 times 22/7 times 3.5 squared. So 3.5 times 3.5 times height h. So what do? We can cancel out this 3.5, we'll get rid of this to go here 2 times. So we are going to get 22 times 3.5, and that will give us 77 over 2 times 2 will give us 4 is equal to 77. So we can multiply both sides by 4/77. 4/77. So we obtain the height to be equal to 4 meters. So the height of the cylindrical tank is 4 meters. Now let's look at the B part of the question. Given that tan x is equal to 12/5, where x is an acute angle, evaluate 2 cos x minus sin x over 5 cos x plus 3 sin x. So we can draw a right angle triangle like this. Then we can fix our angle here, x degrees is here. And then we're given that tan x, which is opposite. So the opposite is 12 centimeters, 12 meters, or 12 units. And the adjacent is 5 units. So the hypotenuse will be square root of 12 squared plus 5 squared, which is square root of 169, because 144 plus 25 is 169. And that will give us 13 units. So if that is 13 units, we can now find cos x and sin x. So cos x will be equal to adjacent, which is 5 over hypotenuse, which is 13. And sine x will be equal to opposite, which is 12 over adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 13. So we can now fix all these values right here. Then we simplify. So let's do that. So we have this thing is equal to, so the 2 here, so we have 2 into bracket cos x. We found cos x to be equal to 5 over 13. So 5 over 13 minus sine x, that was 12 over 13. All over, we have 5 cos x, 5 over 13, plus 3 sine x, 12 over 13. So this will be equal to 2 times 5 is 10 minus 12. So 10 over 13 minus 12 over 13 divided by 5 times 5 is 25 over 13, then plus 36 over 13. This is division. So we are dividing this and by this. So let's simplify. We will obtain 10 minus 12 is negative 2 over 13 divided by 25 plus 36 is 61 over 13. So we multiply by the reciprocal times 13 over 61. And that will give us, so this will cancel this. We are left with negative 2 over 61. So that is the value of the trigonometric expression.